Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, as usual in the second video let's take a look in the gold market. So in the weekly report we also have prepared the extended analysis of the gold market, and the current situation as you know it's mostly suggests that we should get some a bit deeper downward continuation, some stronger retracement to the downside. At least that is followed from the fundamental factors that we have. Actually this gold market, the actual gold market in particular, as other markets, stands very sensitive currently to the liquidity measures, and that's actually the cornerstone on the current fundamental background, and that the thing that could change everything on the market. If the miracle will happen and indeed Congress and Senate and Democrats and Republicans will agrees on the measures and suddenly something will be provided in this week, that could change everything. So market really could show the upward rally. If the common scenario follows, which means that no achievement will be, no new measures liquidity will be provided until the December or at least post-election moment, that stands as a central scenario that is based on the current fundamental background. It means that all fundamental factors still stands valid, and in this situation we probably should get another leg to the downside. Meantime, you can see the market stands in the completion of the minor setups that we discussed in the weekly report as well. So we said this is some extensions on the intraday charts. Market also hits the daily oversold. We could get here some minor reaction that you could use differently. So scalp traders could try to make this very short-term buy trade if you trade on the intraday charts on the 15-minute chart, for example. Those who would like to close the existing long position, if for example you have taken the position at the first level that we specified in last week, but was not able to out on this pullback that has happened, was not able to move stops to the break-even, and you now stands with this seat on this position, that's the chance for you to close the position on the break-even or even with some minor profit. Finally, those who trade on the short side and would like to take the short position, you also could consider this using of this pullback as a chance to take the short position with a possible downward continuation. So as we mostly have moderately bullish view on the gold market in the long-term perspective, we're mostly watching just for a support to take the long position, and currently we do not consider taking the new charts. But on the intraday charts, overall situation doesn't forbid you to do this. I mean, consider taking the short positions as well. So on a daily chart, as reaction, you can see yesterday has started, and mostly, almost the minimum target of this reaction is done. But take a look at the market has formed a bullish reversal candle. Theoretically, it could mean that we could get some minor upward continuation as well. So retracement could be more extended. So it could go slightly above the level that we have specified. But with the overall bearish background and strong sell-off in the market, well, you should not to hope too much on this pattern. So that's great that we have reversal candle, but it doesn't mean that it's really superb background for position taking. So it's a bit tricky moment that you could say, well, we have the reversal candle, then let's go up. But actually, it is not quite sufficient to make the position. This is great, but if you see something else, so you could try to do this. So on intraday charts, guys, you could see the response. So actually, market already mostly stands at the point. Recall what we said in the report. We said here's confidence resistance 1890, so probably it should climb here as a minimal target. But you could see that XOP with this minor ABCD pattern stands slightly higher. It's approximately 1894. And next resistance class stands 1903, 1914. So it's around previous natural support resistance area. So you can see there was support actually So now this will be again resistance. So it seems the retracement probably will come here or here initially. So that's two levels to consider. On the hourly chart, we have also minor targets. So ABCD, here's another steep ABCD pattern. OP stands approximately the same area where the XOP on the 4-hour time frame chart 1894. But classical, if you'll take a look at this as a double bottom, so classical target stands slightly higher, so approximately 1902 area, 19 even. So that's mostly agrees with this resistance cluster that we have here. So that's first resistance area this market should reach as a minimal extension of this retracement, and then we will see what will happen. So what patterns will be formed there, where market will break it or not. So to consider deeper, stronger upper retracement, or the pullback will stop here and market turn down again, because overall sell-off strength is significant on the weekly chart, and currently it would be better to treat this action only as a pullback rather than to think that this is really some reversal. Because for reversal we need some stronger factors, stronger confirmation of that. Currently we do not have it yet. So that's our view currently on the gold market, and we'll see what will happen around 19 even area.